Hello, curious explorers. I am Ava Wingfield, and today we are going underground to meet some wiggly friends who help our gardens grow. Are you ready to get your hands dirty? Let's dig in.
Worms might look wiggly and slimy, but they are the best little gardeners. They dig tunnels in the soil which helps air and water reach plant roots. That means stronger, healthier plants. Worms also munch on old leaves and leftover plant bits, turning them into rich, dark soil called compost. And get this, they don't have eyes, but they can feel light and dark, and they never stop wiggling. So next time you see a worm in your garden, say, "Thank you." It's hard at work keeping the soil healthy and happy. Did you know worms don't have lungs? They breathe through their skin. 2. Some worms can regrow parts of their body if they get cut. 3. Worms never sleep. They're always on the move. Drawing challenge. Draw a friendly worm digging tunnels underground. Can you show its tunnels connecting to the roots of a growing plant? Let's think. Why do you think worms are good for gardens?
Thank you for digging around with me today. Worms may be small, but they make a big difference. Thanks for joining me on today's adventure. If you had fun, don't forget to check out our books on Amazon. They're full of fun facts, coloring pages, and creative activities just like this one. And guess what? Our latest books even include augmented reality messages from me. You can also find digital downloads on our website and Etsy. And be sure to subscribe so you never miss a new adventure with me and my friends. Until next time, be curious, be kind, and always be colorful, be you.